say it looked like the 4-ounce jar could have actually worked because I'm not, or maybe I mean not apply enough. Whenever I mean not apply enough to God.
They gon' love me for my ambition.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be doing something that I've been wanting to do for a very long time. Didn't get the chance because with corporate Jamaica there are just certain things that they don't align with that space. So we're actually going to try some hair wax. A bit conflicted by which color I'm going with. I think it's easy to just get rid of the orange. I think this is orange, kind of looks red, but I want to try the blue. Right, this is actually a bright color on here, and it's something that I've always wanted to try, and seeing that this is very temporary, we're going to see how this goes. So I prepped my hair by basically detangling it and conditioning it. It's still damp, but I used a t-shirt to actually just get rid of some of the moisture. T-shirt, not a towel, because then that will actually makes my hair frizzy. So we're just gonna see how this goes. Let's take it to the bathroom. Alright, so we're just going to try this in the shower today because I was thinking about actually using that thing that they put around like the guys when the barbers shaving or trimming them. This is a last minute decision to actually try the hair wax, so I don't even have gloves, right? So I'm just going to put my hair in parts. So I can get rid of this first. I'm no hair guru, can't do hair, right? So let's see how this works out. So first I'm going to actually line my hair with some petroleum gel. So if you have hair oil, that can work, right? I consider it to be like the same thing. So I line in my hairline and my ears, because whenever I'm coloring my hair, whenever I bleach and color my hair, I always ensure that I do this. I'm going to put some around by the back, right? Because I'm thinking if this is something temporary, you're going to want to do it before you go to an event or something. And I can't imagine you go out with a whole blue dye and stay in your forehead. So now that that's out the way, just wipe this off my hand. And we are ready to begin. So it's from Hairwhatt. I messed up the place already. Clumsy me. The wax is actually from Hairwhatt, and you can just look for their Instagram at below here. I'm going to also put it in the description section. I'm trying out the texture, right? It's very soft, kind of gooey, mushy. But let me just take up a good piece, good amount, and whew, moment of truth, guys. Let's go. So I'm using the 8-ounce bottle, based on the volume of hair that I have. I don't think the 4-ounce would work. Seems as if you need a good amount to actually get it to cover your hair. Put some on the root. And I don't know if it's maybe because of the lighting or the fact that my hair was actually bleached and colored before, but it kind of looks purple. I wonder if no, it's blue. It's blue, it's blue. But I could touch up them little areas here and see. And I'm so happy that there's a product like this out, because with the bleaching of your hair and then after color it actually damages your hair. Yes, they're going to tell you to moisturize it and so, but it doesn't take away from the fact that it can still damage your hair. So I'm glad there's something temporary like this. Alright, so we'll finish that one here. What do you think? We could make it dry. And I'm gonna try to give myself a little style, like hair spoil, and we'll see how it goes. Just gonna twist this out and get to the other sections. Yes, I can't twist people, right? That's why I'm gonna really comb it here. I can't twist it. Them not stuff already. Gotta go with it. Let's try like a shiny bowl or something. Yeah, good girl, Kim. Especially, sometimes you feel like, oh, you don't have enough styles or, anything. Nice. I don't have anything really cool to do with your hair. I mean, this is something that you can definitely try if it is that you're feeling that way. I'm using a lot more on this side. Come with stingy with it at first, I never think it would have served. But enough in there for she and the old lady. Trust me. So we'll get underneath here, so we'll get them in the mix. Getting them in the mix and can't finish though. Can't finish. Oh no! No! You can imagine you pop up to an event this week with blue hair, by next week you have like an orange hair or green hair. Look, that's something that I would definitely pay for. Say it looked like the 4-ounce jar could have actually worked because I'm not, or maybe I mean not apply enough. Whenever I mean not apply enough to that. Cause what's getting on my face? Let me catch these up. I'm like halfway through my hair and let me show you. See, we don't move, we don't reach now, eh? Really and truly just goes on really quickly. And you can just run your finger through your hair. So I definitely suggest you detangle your hair before. And we'll cover everywhere, we'll cover. Yeah, put a little bit more up here, so just in case. So I'm trying my best not to let any drop in the bath, because it can wash out, it's temporary, but just can't bother. Now that I'm looking in the jar, I see that the 8-ounce decision was definitely the best. More leaving here, and I'm soon show you, but it wouldn't be enough to like fully cover my hair. It would be like, if I just want to do the ends. And so what am I going to get about the party up here? So, no, so, see what I'm going to do here? Me could do here. Don't know. Alright, hopefully it get like something, right? Good check. Yeah, seems covered to me. So we're just gonna twist this up, right? And let me show you. So you see, I think like this could cover my hair ends. So we're just going to leave this to dry now, and maybe with the amount that I use, it's going to take a good little while. Why me rub it in my scalp? But maybe with the amount that I used, it's going to take a good little while. Let me kind of just catch them up so they won't actually mess up my back. But I'm going to put on the screen like how long it takes to actually just dry, and we can actually style it. So let's see. I'm excited. I got blue hands. Coming. Blueberry man. Blueberry fingers. Sticky fingers. I'm just showing you this part for transparency. So I did this like at 10:05. It's now 2:57. You see the little blow coming, but me feel like because I did stingy with it, it really and truly not have a brighter look. So I'm actually going to apply more. My hair is taking a very long time to dry. That's on my part, and I really feel like my hair was too damp when I applied the hair wax on it. Never mind my daughter, she's having the time of her life with her dad. Babies are sellouts, they are sellout, but you know that's for another video. Just apply a little heat to let it dry. It can come in now, you see the flow. Yeah, it can come, but I want it to be brighter. Alright, so my hair, as you can see, it's back on my hand, but my hair it's a bit drier. I'm going to, it still has a bit of moisture in it, so I'm going to apply the rest of hair wax in no particular order, right? Just spruce it up, and I'm going to actually blow dry it a little again, you know, when I finish applying the hair wax, and then see if it will like completely dry. Alright, so you guys ready for this? Are you ready for this? Turn it. So the blue came out like it's showing bright now. Rubbing my hand on it, not much, you know, residue coming off. But I must say that I had to like moisturize my hair before I actually styled it. But all in all, I like it. It's something that I'd actually do, you know, if you just want to go up on the road, something different, something new. But yeah. Money from my brain, dog, money.